Most people stay broke, not because they're lazy, but because they follow the wrong habits. Here are 7 money habits keeping you poor. Number 1. Poor people trade time for money. Rich people trade value for money, then use that money to buy back their time. Number 2. Poor people focus on saving. Rich people focus on earning more, because you can't save your way to wealth. Number 3. Poor people think short-term. Rich people think in decades, not days. Number 4. Poor people binge entertainment. Rich people consume education. Books, courses, mentors. Number 5. Poor people fear risk. Rich people calculate and take smart risks to grow faster. Number 6. Poor people work hard forever. Rich people build systems and assets that work for them. Number 7. Poor people avoid discomfort. Rich people know growth only happens outside your comfort zone. Your habits are either making you broke or setting you free. Which side are you choosing? Subscribe for more.